Hello everyone. So today we will see that how we will start with IntelliJ. So IntelliJ में how we will start with a project from starting. Let's see. We will go on a file and go for new file. File project. Okay. So project in here you can select the project SDK. So I have selected 1.8. It will come automatically selected if you have installed your Java on your system. Okay. So after that, what I will do, if I want to make a project use struct web services, then I will click. Otherwise, if I don't want to use anything right now, so I will do next, and it will say hello world, create a project from the template. I am not using any one of them, so I will do next. Then I will give my project name. So my project name will be first project, my first application. Okay. So it will be my first application. So I will open in the new window. So here you will see that you got a project, basically your application. So it is a normal Java application. So what I will do, I will click a right click over here and make a package. So how you will make a package? You will make a package. Where is the package in this? Here it is, package. So you will give the package your package name. Like my package name will be your action controller. Okay, because it's a core Java project right now. So you will see you will have a package action controller. So I will give my class name. So here I will give my class name will be my first application. Just click OK. So here your first application will be start. Now I want to run some code. So hello print, how I will do. So let's see. I will write like public static void main string args. Okay, so if I will write here an int, if I will take int, then suppose I will stick a is equal to 5 and same with int a is equal to 5, b is equal to 6. Okay, so here I will print some value. System out dot println my result. So what will be the result if I will add them a plus b? Okay, so now what I have to do, I have to run this code. Now how will I will go here, add configure. Now in add configure you will have to find the application, like how you will run. Like if I will go application, I will click on the application. It will ask for main class. Here I will write my service. It will ask you for main. Here it will come when you will search, so it will come your action controller my first application, because in this application you have a main method. Now apply, now okay. Here you will see my service has come. So I will click run button and wait for my output. See, my output has come 56 because it is not adding right now, and we need to correct it. So what we will do, we will make like this. See, after rerun it should come 11 has come. So you have to, your application will be run like this in Java core application. So thanks for this video, thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel so I will make others videos on this topic IntelliJ. If you will
Thank you.